Okay, let's start our lesson by doing together. Okay. Yeah, please can help me to lead the prayer. Let me. Okay, before we start the lesson, let's pray together. Pray begins. Finish. Okay, thank you. Yeah. Okay, before we continue, let me check your attendance. Okay, when I call your name, please raise your hand and say present, Miss. Isa, present, Miss. Nurul, present, Miss. Jelina, present, Miss. Putri, present, Miss. Ya, present, Miss. Okay, now student, let's do a short ice breaking activity. Okay, please stand up. Okay, follow me. Okay. Satu, dua, tiga. Open, close, and then we're clapping. Open, close, and then clapping again. Rolling, 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 and then we're smiling. Rolling, 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 and then we're laughing. Okay, sekali lagi. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Open, close, and then we're clapping. Open, close, and then clapping again. Rolling, 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 and then we're smiling. Rolling, 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 and then we're laughing. Okay, student, now look these pictures. Okay, do you know who is he? Reality. Kalau yang sebelah sana, Rizky Ridho. Do you like them?
Yes.
If yes, why do you like she or he?
It's very popular.
Yes. Yeah, very popular. What does reality look like?
Beautiful.
And then
White
skin.
white skin.
Yeah. Apa lagi?
Yes. Itu kind.
Yes. And the second pictures.
And the second one.
Handsome. Handsome. Lagi.
He's tan skin.
Tan skin. Yeah.
Yes. He's tall.
Tall.
Yes. Apa ya?
Yeah. Okay. So describing people is very important in daily life. Okay. We use it when we talk about family, friend, teacher. Okay. Now today we will learn about descriptive text. Okay, this is learning objective. Okay, by the end of the lesson, you will be able to first identify important information and characteristic of a person from spoken descriptive text accurately. And the second one, describe a person orally using appropriate vocabulary and simple sentences. Okay, students. Today our activities are first you will watch the video and answer the question, and then you will learn about descriptive text. After that, you will work in pair and also individually. And finally, you present your work in front of the class. Okay, now students, we will continue. I will have prepared a video for you. Do you want to watch it together?
Yes.
Okay, please watch and listen carefully to the video. Focus on the information from the video. Okay.
Everyone, today we're going to meet two new classmates. Can you guess what they look like? Imagine there's one boy and one girl in our class. I'm going to describe them for you. Let's see if you can picture them in your mind. This is John. He's tall, has short black hair, wears glasses, and carries a blue backpack. Can you imagine him standing in the classroom? What do you think about his glasses? Do they make him look smart? And this is Jessica. She has long brown hair, wears a red shirt, and carries a yellow backpack. Imagine her walking into the classroom. What color is her backpack? Can you see her in your mind? Describing people is fun and easy if you focus on the details you can see. Height, hair, clothing, and accessories. Now it's your turn. Look around your classroom and try to describe your friends. Let's see who can make the most interesting description.
Okay, now let's discuss the video. What is the video about? Describing person. Who is being described in the video? John, and then Jessica. What does John look like?
She's tall.
Short, yeah.
Short black hair.
Short black hair, yeah. And then
She wear blue black hair.
yeah. Wear blue black hair. Then wear glasses.
Yeah. She wear glasses.
What does Jessica look like?
She has long brown hair.
Yeah, long brown hair.
She wear yellow backpack.
Blue black bag. Okay, good job, student. You are able to understand the information from the video very well. So from the video, you can see that describing person include physical appearance such as height, hair, clothes, and then things they carry. Now, based on the video, we will identify today's topic. Okay, today we will learn about descriptive text about difference. Okay, I will explain descriptive text. Okay, the first one, definition. You can siapa yang bisa tolong baca?
The definition of the descriptive text. Descriptive text is a type of text that describes a person, place, animal, or thing in detail. The purpose is to help the reader imagine what is being described clearly.
Yeah, thank you, Sophia. So, what does it mean? It means when we read a descriptive text, we can see the picture in our mind about the person or thing. For example, if I describe my best friend, you can imagine her face, hair, or personality, even though you cannot see her directly. Okay, that is the purpose of descriptive text. Okay, we move on to the next page. Yeah, it's a short function.
social condition to describe a specific person in the class. Next, to provide information about a person's appearance, personality, and habits. And last, to help the reader or listener visualize the person clearly.
Thank you, Sha. Okay, so to describe a specific person in detail and to help the reader understand how the people looks and what kind of person they are. For example, when I describe my teachers, okay, I can tell you her appearance, her personality, or habits. So you can imagine her clearly. Okay, so the goal is not just give information, but help the reader or listener see the person in their mind. Okay. Okay. Next, generic structure. Okay, there are two parts of generic structure. The first one, identification. Identification introduce the person being described. Important provide general information such as name or level relationship. Okay, the first identification. Identification is the introduction. It tells us who what person is. Okay, for example, this is my best friend, Erika. So it's just general information at the beginning. Okay, the second description. Describe the person in detail, include appearance, personality, and habits or habits. Okay, so description give more detail about the person. For example, seperti her appearance, personality, habit, or hobbies. So identification tell us who, and then description tell us what they are like. Next. Language features refers specific specific noun. It means we use specific word like my friend, my teacher, my classmate. So we are talking about a clear person. Second one, adjective. Adjective are describing word, for example, seperti kind, friendly, smart, active. We use this word to describe personality or appearance. Okay, next page. Okay, the third simple present tense. We use simple present tense because we describe fact or habits. Yeah. You can see, for example, she is a student, they are short with her. Okay, these are general and always true description. Okay, next one, give birth. Okay. So we use this verb to connect the subject and description. You can see, for example, she is my friend, they are students. Okay, so this verb help us make correct sentences.
Okay, this is example text. Okay. Putri, kamu bisa baca? Tolong baca.
Example text. My friend Anika. Anika is my friend. She is 15 years old. 14 years old, and she studies at SMP Negeri 2 Lingga Utara.
Yeah.
She is a keen and girl. She is not very slim and she is tall. She has short black hair and black eyes. Erika likes reading books and listening to music. She is also helpful and careful. Many students with her because she is easy to talk to.
Okay, student. First, we find the identification. Letaknya identification. Dan maksud itu gimana letak identification dari
Present sentences.
the first?
First and second. First and second. From Erika is my friend.
Okay, Erika is my friend. Okay, then we see the description. Seperti figure 8, 14, kemudian appearance, kemudian personality-nya. Di bagian she is a kind and friendly girl itu menunjukkan apa? Di kalimat she is a kind and friendly girl. Personality. Okay, good. Kemudian she has short black hair and black eyes. Mas apa? Appearance. Termasuk appearance. Now, you can see how all parts are combined into one text. Okay, now we will play a game. The game is called Post the Ball. You know? Itu gamenya bola. Oke, kalau musiknya berhenti, kalian siapa yang memegang bola itu kan mendapatkan challenge. Good. Ada dua soal ya. Kita tahu soal lain. Pelan-pelan ya.
Santai.
Aku harus mendeskripsikan salah satu.
Delina is my friend in school. She's kind person. She's tall. She has pointed nose and she wears glasses.
Okay. Thank you, Nurul. Okay, you can. Thank you.
Yes.
Yay! I have prepared a worksheet for you. Okay. In this activity, you will work in pair. Okay. 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 Have you finished?
Yes,
Miss.
Okay. Siapa yang mau presentasi kajian?
Oke, saya. Here I will present my work with my partners. The first picture, she is a young woman. She has long straight black hair and fair skin. She has black eyes and a sweet smile. She looks calm and elegant.
The second pictures, he is young man. He has wavy black hair and fair skin. He has black eyes and nice smile. He looks friendly and handsome.
Okay. Do you know?
Yes, the first picture is Jenny Blackpink.
It's Jenny.
And the second picture is Taehyung.
Yes.
Kim Taehyung.
Okay. You're welcome. Okay, the next activity, you will work individually. Okay, please choose one person you want to describe. Okay, you might choose a friend, a teacher, or family member, up to you. Okay.
Itu represent Irfan.
Yeah.
Mendeskripsikan salah satu orang.
Okay. You use simple sentence in English to describe that person. Okay, remember to use the structure of descriptive text, which is identification and description. Okay, student, let's start now. Okay, everyone, have you finished?
Yes.
Yes, Miss.
Siapa yang mau mempresentasikan?
Saya.
Okay, please.
Okay, I will present my descriptive. I will present descriptive text.
Describe
My Okay, I will present descriptive text describing my lovely mother. My mother is very kind. She is a good mother. She cooks tasty food. She helps me every day, and I love my mother.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, student, well done. You are now able to describe person independently. Okay. Apakah ada yang mau ditanyakan?
Tidak.
Okay. Alright. Dan waktunya juga sudah habis. Now we have come to the end of our lesson. Before we finish, let's reflect on today's lesson. What have you learned today?
Descriptive text.
Yeah, we learned about descriptive text. Okay, I'm very happy with your participation today. Your speaking skill are getting better, and you are active in the class. For your follow-up task, please write a short description of a person at home. Okay. Thank you for your attention and good participation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam